In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email ID in Hostinger 2026. Hostinger email change. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Hostinger's website. This is your starting point for accessing your account controls. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled My Account. It's typically at the top right of the page or under your profile icon. Click it to open your account area. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to authenticate before you can proceed. Inside your account area, find and click on Account Information. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal details and contact preferences. It's the hub for updating anything related to your profile, including the email tied to your Hostinger login. Next, scroll down until you see the section called Account Settings. This section controls key items like your name, password, and the email address used for logging in and receiving important notifications. It's a good idea to pause here and confirm you're on the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Hostinger profiles. Now click on Email. This will open the field where your current account email is displayed and ready to be changed. Remember, this is the email for your Hostinger account itself, used for sign-ins, password resets, invoices, and support communications. It won't affect any mailbox you've created on your domain. Those are managed separately in your email hosting settings. In the email field, carefully enter your new email address. Choose an address you'll always have access to, ideally a primary inbox that you check regularly. Take a moment to double check the spelling and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the address, especially if you pasted it. Accuracy here prevents login issues and missed notifications later. When you're confident the new email is correct, click Continue. Hostinger will apply the change and may display a confirmation message. In many cases, a verification message is sent to the new email to confirm ownership. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see it within a few minutes, check spam or promotions folders. If additional security is enabled on your account, you may also be asked to confirm with a code or your current password. After the change, you might be signed out and prompted to sign back in using the new email address. That's all you need to do. You've successfully updated the email on your Hostinger account, ensuring future notifications and account recovery options go to the right place. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify everything looks correct before you move on.